Imagine a world where you don't have to work to earn money. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you that this dream is more real than you think? Society has taught us that hard work is the only way to achieve success. But today, I'm going to reveal a secret that could completely change your perspective on wealth and prosperity. Let's start by debunking the myth that working more automatically means earning more. This belief is so common that most people don't even think to question it. But the truth is, hard work alone doesn't guarantee wealth. Think about how many people you know who work long hours, day in and day out, yet still live paycheck to paycheck. Why? Because they're stuck in a cycle where they trade their time, which is limited, for money. And worse, that money is rarely enough to provide the freedom they truly desire. The key to breaking free from this cycle is understanding that the true power of money lies in making it work for you rather than the other way around. Instead of continuing to sell your time, which is a finite resource, you need to learn to invest in assets that generate passive income. Now, what exactly is passive income? Let's be clear. Passive income is the money you earn without needing to be actively involved to receive it. It's money that keeps coming in, even while you're asleep. Imagine planting a tree. In the first few years, you need to water it, care for it, protect it. But once it grows strong, it starts to bear fruit continuously, year after year, with little effort on your part. This is the principle of passive income. Investments like stocks, real estate, or automated businesses work exactly like that. In the beginning, they may require some effort and dedication, but over time, these investments start generating income consistently and automatically. And here's the big secret. By building multiple streams of passive income, you free yourself from the need to work just to pay the bills. So, why do so many people fail to achieve financial freedom? Simple. We've been conditioned to believe that security lies in a stable job and a fixed salary. Investing is often seen as risky, complicated, or something only for the wealthy. But nothing could be further from the truth. True financial security doesn't come from a job. It comes from having multiple streams of income that don't rely on your daily work. And the best part, you don't need to be a millionaire to start. This is where financial education comes in. If you're afraid of investing because you think you don't understand it well enough, know that you're not alone. Most people never receive any formal financial education, and this creates a mental barrier that stops many from taking the first step. But today, with the internet and access to information, anyone can learn to invest safely and effectively. Financial education is like learning to ride a bike. First, it may seem complicated, but as you learn and practice, it all becomes easier and more natural. Before we dive into the technical details of how to start investing, it's crucial to address the mindset you need to achieve wealth. Everything begins in your mind. If you believe you'll never have enough money, that only the rich can invest, or that money is hard to come by, those beliefs will become your reality. Break the cycle. You need to reprogram your mind to see money as something abundant and accessible, flowing to you from many sources. Many people sabotage themselves because they believe consciously or unconsciously that they don't deserve to be wealthy or that they will never achieve it. This is a mental barrier that needs to be torn down. Does all of this make sense to you? Before we continue, I want you to take a quick pause. If you're resonating with these ideas so far and feel like this could truly transform your view on money, leave a comment below. Tell me, what is the biggest challenge you face when thinking about achieving financial freedom? I read all the comments and love interacting, because the more we share our experiences, the more we learn and grow together. Start visualizing a future where money is not a concern, where you have abundance to live the life you've always wanted. When you shift your mindset to one of abundance and possibility, opportunities begin to arise. You start to see open doors where you once saw only walls. And that's how the money starts to flow. Now, let's talk about how you can apply this secret to your own life. It all starts with clear goals. Without goals, we're just drifting aimlessly, not knowing where you want to go. Define how much you want to earn, in what time frame, and how you plan to achieve it. Write these goals down somewhere you can see them every day and use them as a guide for your financial decisions. Clarity in your goals will keep you on the right path, even when obstacles arise. After setting your goals, the next step is to start investing. Many people think they need a large sum of money to start, but that's not true. The important thing is to start, even if it's with a small amount. If you wait until you have a lot of money, you may never begin. The habit of investing is more important than the amount you initially invest. Over time, as you gain more confidence and your investments start to grow, you'll be able to increase the amount you invest. Here's another key tip: track your investments regularly. It's not enough to invest and forget about it. You need to monitor your portfolio, make adjustments as needed, and keep learning about new investment opportunities. The financial market is constantly changing, and the best opportunities often arise for those who stay informed. I'm not saying you need to become a finance expert, but it's important to stay engaged and informed about where your money is going. One thing I always say is, true wealth is not just about money, but about how you live your life. What's the point of having lots of money if you don't have time, freedom, or peace of mind? By building streams of passive income, you're not just creating wealth, but also the possibility of living life on your own terms. This means having time to do what you love, being with the people you love, and living according to your values, not the demands of a job. That's why I invite you to start your journey toward financial freedom today. Don't wait until tomorrow to do what you can start now. Each day that passes is one less day for you to achieve the freedom you desire. Leave a comment below telling me what your biggest challenge is when it comes to money and investment. I love reading and responding to the comments because I believe we can all learn from each other and grow together on this journey. Now, imagine what it would be like to wake up every day knowing that you're in control of your money, that it's working for you, and that you don't have to chase after every penny. This is the reality you can create for yourself if you apply what we've talked about today. And when you get there, you'll realize that the biggest secret of all isn't just about making more money, but having the freedom to choose how to live your life. If this content resonated with you, if you feel that this is the message you needed to hear, don't forget to leave a like and share this video with others who also need to learn this secret. Let's spread the word, help more people discover that prosperity is possible, and that we don't have to be bound by the belief that hard work is the only way to live well. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to do so right now. There's much more content like this on the way, and you won't want to miss it. Turn on notifications so you'll be alerted every time I post a new video, and together, we'll walk this path toward financial freedom. We'll change the way you think about money, work, and life, so you can finally live the life you've always dreamed of. Now, take a deep breath and visualize your ideal life. Think about how you want to live, what you want to achieve, and what your routine will be like when money is no longer a constant worry. Keep this vision clear in your mind and use it as motivation. Keep learning and applying what you've learned today. The journey to financial freedom may be long, but with determination and the right knowledge, it is entirely achievable. Don't wait for opportunities to come to you. Go after them. Create them if necessary, and never stop learning. The world of finance is vast and full of possibilities, and the more you know, the better prepared you'll be to make decisions that benefit your life in the long run. Remember, the power is in your hands. You are the only one responsible for your financial life, and only you can decide whether to continue down the traditional path of hard work or take control of your destiny and build a life of abundance and freedom. If you still have doubts about how to start, don't hesitate to seek help. There are many resources available, from books and online courses, financial advisors who can guide you on this journey. But the most important thing is to take the first step. It doesn't matter how small that step is. What matters is that you're moving in the right direction. And remember, true wealth goes beyond money. It lies in freedom, peace of mind, and the ability to live the life you truly desire. By adopting an abundance mindset and starting to invest in passive income, you're not only increasing your wealth, but also creating the conditions for a more fulfilling and satisfying life. So don't forget to reflect on what you've heard today and start taking concrete steps to transform your financial life. The journey may not be easy, but with persistence and the right knowledge, it will be incredibly rewarding. And when you look back and see how far you've come, you'll realize that every effort was worth it. Now, as you reflect on all of this, think about what you can do today, right now, to take that first step. And don't worry about how big that step is. What's important is to start moving, because once you take that first action, a chain of events begins to unfold, bringing opportunities you may never have imagined. Are you ready? This doesn't end here. In fact, it's just the beginning. There's so much more we can explore together. Now it's your turn to put what you've learned into practice and carve your own path to financial prosperity. Remember, the choice is yours. You can continue down the traditional route, or you can start building your freedom today. I believe in you, and I know you have the power to achieve everything you desire. So go ahead and make it happen.